Equals 28, back with another video. This one's just gonna be short because I just want to show you something. Yes, I play Bee Swarm, and guess what? I just got 100 gingerbread bears, which means mythic egg, my second mythic bee. Oh my god. I don't know what I should replace though. Like, should I replace like this ungifted bumblebee? My other ungifted bumblebee? I don't know. That's probably what I'll replace because everything else is gifted. Or an event bee. Or something I want to keep like baby bee. Or carpenter bee. So yeah. But yeah, I can get a mythic egg. Oh, by the way, don't mind that I bought a gold egg. That was just for honey mask. But anyways, I did it. Oh my god, this is my first mythic egg. Because, my spicy bee was from a gold egg. I'm serious. Well, bye-bye, Bumblebee. Yeah, oh my god, that's exactly what I wanted. Yes! Well, let's feed it my 800 treats because, yes. But hell yeah, I have a fuzzy bee now. Let's go. So yeah. That's just... I just wanted to upload that. Bye, guys.